Hey. Kira, where's the spider? Where's the spider? There. Fire skeleton. You're going for a trick or treat. This Halloween. This is Hungry Ghost na Halloween. Oh. Mula. Get out the light, okay? We off the light now. Are you ready, Kira? Wow! You're glowing in the dark. Trick or treat! Look at here, look here. Kira! Yay! Oh! Wow! Kira, how do birds fly? Oh, very clever. How do the duck waddles? Oh, wow. Clever! Wow! And how do you play aeroplane? Aeroplane, aeroplane. Very good. Good job. Good job, Kira. No. No? Where's your teeth? Oh, that's your teeth. And that's your nose. That's your nose. And wing your eyes. How do you wing your eyes? No. Okay, so where's the spider now? That's the spider on your body. Are you going for Halloween? Yeah? Kira, say bye-bye. Look at it, look at it.